Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to link your BBVA bank account to PayPal step by step so you can easily send, receive, or withdraw money. Let's jump in. Step 1, log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or go to paypal.com, log in with your email and password. Once you're in, go to Wallet from the bottom menu or top bar. Step 2, choose Link a Bank Account. In the Wallet section, tap Link a Bank Account. Choose your country if prompted and make sure it matches your BBVA account country. Step 3, enter your BBVA bank details. Type in your IBAN or account number and bank name, BBVA. You may also need your BIC SWIFT code. You can find this in the BBVA app under Account Details. Tap Link Bank. Step 4, confirm your bank with PayPal. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, usually a few cents, to your BBVA account within 1 to 2 business days. Open your BBVA app, check the incoming transactions, and note the 2 exact amounts. Go back to PayPal Wallet, click on BBVA, enter the deposit amounts to verify your bank. Step 5, you're all set. Once confirmed, your BBVA account is now linked to PayPal. You can now transfer money from PayPal to BBVA and vice versa. Tip: always ensure your name on BBVA matches your PayPal account name to avoid rejections. That's it. You've successfully linked your BBVA account to PayPal in 2025. If this guide helped, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.